Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a message privately to the other players in a game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined one of the games on Roblox, and usually if you want to send a message, we can go to the chat menu and you can send your message right here, but the message is not private, so everyone in the server can see your message. And if you want to send private message, you need to go to the Roblox Party. You can click on this three lines and then you will see Party, and you just need to search a player that you want to send a message to. You can select the player and then you can send your private message. So it's like direct message, but it's on the game. Okay, you can say something right here and send it to your friend. And okay guys, that's how you can send a message privately on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.